Welcome to the Zyng ATM video tutorial presented by Zyng Technologies. Today we are discussing the feature Buy Bitcoin. To begin, select one of the 5 options displayed on the screen. To use the Buy Bitcoin feature, click the Buy Bitcoin option. Select the I have a wallet QR code button to proceed or scan the QR code for directions to a Bitcoin wallet app. Zyng recommends using BitPay. Please wait while the machine processes your request. Enter your mobile phone number using the on-screen keyboard, then press Continue. After, enter your 4-digit Bitcoin wallet PIN using the on-screen keypad, then press Continue when finished. A red scanning light will appear from the keypad below. Hold your wallet QR code and angle the barcode towards the scanner. The screen will then ask if you wish to purchase Bitcoin at the price shown, then click Yes. Click OK on the screen, then insert the cash in the cash-in slot. Once the cash is inserted, click Done. Thank you for watching!